All right, here is everything that you need to create a high quality video with your smartphone. So first thing is you need your smartphone, whether that's the Google Pixel, the Android, the newest iPhone, or whatever new phone comes out next. First of all, that is one of the most important pieces because that's what you're using. Then the second thing that I highly recommend is on your smartphone is to purchase the Filmic Pro app. Now you do have a standard camera app that you can use, but the Filmic Pro app has just a ton more features that can make your videos higher quality. Another thing that you need to create video is a tripod or something to hold your phone. One great tool is your arm. You're able to use this outside in tons of different environments, or if you're making a video on the go, your arm is a great tool. The other thing that I highly recommend investing in is a ring light, something that looks just like this here. So it's a tripod that you're able to stick your phone in here, turn it horizontal or vertical, and then you have a ring light. This is critical, and we'll talk about this in another video, to use to brighten up your face, to brighten up the environment that you're in, to help give it that better lighting. And this ring light in particular has two colors, so it's got the daylight and it's got the tungsten light. Now this thing, you can literally find this thing on Amazon for like under 30 bucks. This is an incredibly useful tool, and it's super inexpensive. The other tool that you're gonna wanna invest in is a lavalier mic. Now, if you are using the iPhone or the newer iPhones, you will need to purchase the quote unquote dongle, which is the 1/8" adapter into the lightning port that plugs directly into your iPhone. So this is used for if you are filming at your desk, or if you're filming with the tripod or ring light and it's far away. So as you can see here, I have a lavalier here right now. So it's my voice is being picked up by this microphone, not by the camera that's, I don't know, 5 feet away from me. Again, we're gonna go into the audio in a different video, but this tool, again, this was $13 on Amazon. So again, very useful tool for very inexpensive. Now, the last thing that you're gonna wanna do is learn these videos. You want to understand your environment, lighting, everything there is to do about backgrounds and whatnot to create a high quality video. You're gonna learn that in the next videos to come, so stay tuned.